Welcome back to Wandering. Today, we will explore one of the gems of the Brazilian coast, Leblon Beach. Located in the west of Rio de Janeiro, Leblon Beach is not only famous for its beautiful scenery, but also for its luxurious and quiet atmosphere. With its smooth white sand dunes and clear blue sea, this place is an ideal destination for those who love relaxation. The people of Leblon, as well as the whole of Rio de Janeiro, are famous for their friendliness and warmth. They welcome visitors with a big smile and the hospitality typical of Brazilian culture. Outdoor activities such as fitness, sports, and beach parties are an indispensable part of the lives of the residents here. Leblon is not only an ideal destination for those who love natural beauty, but also a place to experience the warmth and hospitality of the local people. Girls in bikinis sunbathing on the beach create a vivid picture, blending the natural beauty of the landscape and the charm of people. They lie on their towels, enjoy the sunshine, and immerse themselves in the joyful atmosphere of Leblon. These moments not only highlight their personal beauty, but also add vitality to the beach, creating a relaxing and fun space for everyone. Leblon Beach, with its beautiful scenery and clean marine environment, is home to a rich and diverse marine vegetation ecosystem. Under the clear blue water, you will find coral reefs and seagrass beds that create a rich ecosystem, providing an ideal habitat for many marine species. These vegetation not only contribute to the beauty of the underwater landscape, but also support the marine ecosystem, helping to maintain biodiversity and protect the marine environment. Marine tourism plays an important role in Brazil's economy and culture. With a coastline of more than 7,000 kilometers, the country has a wide range of famous and attractive beaches, from the white sands of Rio de Janeiro to the tropical waters of Nordeste. Not only does marine tourism generate a significant source of income by attracting millions of international and domestic tourists each year, it also promotes the development of related industries such as hotels, restaurants, and entertainment services. Thank you for wandering on our journey to discover beautiful beaches and interesting destinations around the world. If you love inspirational travel videos and want to continue discovering more wonderful coastal areas, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any new content. Your support is the biggest motivation for us to continue bringing great experiences and useful information. Join us on our journey to explore, connect, and share the beauty of the world through Wandering's attractive videos.